Ever thought about becoming a programmer? Here are the most essential languages every programmer must know to have a successful career in programming. Java is one of the most popular languages of the last 2 decades and rules the world of server-side application development. It also holds sizable market share in mobile games and application development using Android and in the enterprise web development world. Java was started with the simple concept of WARA, write once run anywhere, but over the time, Java has actually come to run everywhere. Python is one of the most taught languages in school and colleges across the world. In the USA, Python has replaced Java in many academic courses as the preferred language to start with. You will gain a lot by learning. Python is one of those languages which can be used as a scripting language as well as proper object-oriented language for a large project. You can replace Java with C++ and replace Python with Ruby, but, honestly, there is no replacement for JavaScript in today's world. In the last 5 years, JavaScript has totally dominated the world. It is no more the client-side scripting language, with a framework and libraries like Node.js, Angular, and React. You can use JavaScript on the server side as well for user interface development. You cannot be a programmer without knowing C or C++. Software engineers or developers who know C are simply better than programmers who don't know C, and it cannot be just plain coincidence. C is still the most preferred language for system programming, and it has given Java solid competition at the top of the table for the last 2 years. If you want to learn this wonderful language, then C programming for beginners is a good place to start. SCALA is a language which was created based on the best practices of the last 20 years. It is a functional programming language, so it offers a different paradigm than other object-oriented programming languages, which will improve your thinking and code sense. Invest your time on something which can be used in your career, and if you want to learn SCALA, then beginning SCALA programming is a good course to begin with.